Hey there, it's so good to see you. What are you up to today?
I'm feeling really awesome, my friend. It's such a great day to be together.
We've all gathered here so we can build a safe, cozy home where everyone can feel welcome.
Come on, everyone. Let's get moving and work together as a team.
A few moments later.
We finally finished everything, and I'm so happy with how our new home turned out.
Yes, we really did it. We made this whole place come to life together.
I'm just so super excited right now, I can hardly stand still.
Okay, everyone. Let's head out now and go enjoy what we've built.
Oh no, I can't believe it. Our home has been destroyed.
This is honestly so upsetting. It makes my heart feel really heavy.
What?
Please don't hurt us. We're scared and just want everyone to be safe.
What happened here, everyone? Can someone tell me what's going on?
Our house fell apart and collapsed. And now we don't have anywhere to stay.
It's really so unfortunate. I'm very sorry this happened to all of you.
Let's not give up. Let's work together and build a brand new home that's even better.
Wow, this new place looks absolutely beautiful. It makes me feel so happy.
Yes, it's truly fantastic. I love how bright and welcoming it feels.
Wow!
Come on, everyone. Let's go relax and enjoy our wonderful new home together.
What?
Hey everyone, the food is here.
Let's go eat.
Are we really going to eat a lot today?
Let's enjoy every bite.
This is gonna be great, buddy.
Absolutely, you're spot on.
Hey, that's mine.
Maybe we should just walk away.
Don't act so smug.
What just happened?
Let's go investigate.
I want to see too.
Looks like that cow turned into a pig.
And that bull turned into a cat.
We've lost all our friends. Let's try to become normal again, buddy.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Oh, wow!
Those fruits look fantastic. Let's get ready for a race. Hey, let's have some fun with a game. Let's join the running race.
I'm on my way.
Come play in the running race.
Okay.
What?
The running race is about to start. Come join us.
Let's go!
Everyone is ready for the running race.
I'm all set for the race.
I'm ready!
I'm ready too.
I'm ready as well.
Everyone, come join the running race. I'm ready for the race. How about everyone else?
A few minutes later.
Are we all ready to go?
We're all set.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go and talk to her. Can I eat this fruit?
Yes, you can.
Oh my goodness, my baby!
I've already crossed the finish line!
Turtle is the winner!
What?
Oh no!
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Let's go get some water. Hey, can you race against me?
Then come to our place and race.
All right then, take me to your place.
Okay.
What happened, Mr. Horse?
This big guy wants to race.
All right then, let's race.
Okay.
I'll be the umpire. Are you all ready?
Okay. Okay.
Go, go, go!
rest for a little while first.
Let's take this shortcut. Maybe we can win.
No way!
Whoa! What happened to me?
Oh no!
I want to eat that. And the winner is cow. What?